Hey guys, this is my bike check. Well, first off, I got a Sunday Funday. 2. Up next, Directors Odysseys in black. Up here, they got some Shadow Voltage bars with some Aqua ODIs and Torrents. Down here, front wheel, right here. Madeira front hub, some chrome dice, purple nipples, and best of all, these things, the spokes, and G-Sport birdcage, not that good. Over here we got a Madeira spline drive sprocket, profile cranks, and Odyssey twisteds, and they spin. Oh yeah, Shadow chain over here, right here, black.
Bottom bracket.
Oh, the bottom bracket. There's Shadow. Gotta get Shadow. They're awesome. Madeira C-clamp right here. Graffiti. And these things, what are they called again?
C-post.
Oh, the C-post. They're chrome or polished, whatever you call it. Shadow seat. Purple stitching. Very comfortable, especially when you break them in. Oh yeah, these things. I got Madeira backup, and they're 9-tooth. You gotta go 9-tooth. Duh! Stupid craps. These things spokes. They're silver and purple nipples. G-Sport bird cage in the back. I mean roll cage. They're roll cages in the back. Oh, and yeah, I think that's about it. Wait, no, the headset right here. The headset. There's Shadow. Peace out, guys.